What happened, Chris?
You drive too fast on the Mango Road.
Can we go play now?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. My name's Tom. I'm with Professional Diving Addicts. Today's segment is a segment known as off-gassing. This will be the first and the most awesome segment you're ever going to see that is outside of scuba diving. I'm here with my friend Chris Hacker, owner of Hacker Accounting. He's going to do a little filming for us, as well as playing shotgun, and hopefully I can show him a good time. This is a great opportunity for you to see what we like to do on our off days and what we're doing to rest, relax, and dry up from the week's worth of diving. So, hope you enjoy. Check out Pro Diving Addicts for more material, and half a day.
Let's do this.
Let's do that again. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you had a great time watching it. Probably not as much fun as we had actually making it, but nonetheless, I digress. Go follow us on Instagram, Pro Diving Addicts, or follow the website, www.prodivingaddicts.com. Big shout out to my boy Chris. Go check him out. Give him some love. Thank you so much.